Welcome to a world of wonder, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Did you know that a single tree can absorb as much carbon in a year as a car produces while driving 26,000 miles? Astounding, isn't it? Now let's dive beneath the ocean waves. The Great Barrier Reef, the largest living structure on Earth, can be seen from space. That's right, it stretches over 1,400 miles. As we ascend to the sky, consider this. The fastest bird, the peregrine falcon, can swoop down at speeds over 200 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. From the roots beneath our feet to the farthest reaches of the sky, our world is filled with marvels. So next time you step outside, remember, nature is full of extraordinary facts just waiting to be discovered. Until the next revelation, keep exploring.